In the previous lecture, guys, I left you somewhere here where we had frozen the whole clip using freeze frame. If you want to remove the freeze frame, that's very easy. You have two ways. You can right click and go back to change clip speed. And here is very convenient because you can remove the freeze frame, change the speed of frame per second, and click change, and you retime the clip the way you like. I'm going to show you another method here. If you come to this small black arrow just next to the 0% and you click on the arrow, you have a drop down menu that's very interesting. Everything is grayed out now except remove freeze frame and reset clip. You know why they are grayed out? Because there is a freeze frame. So let's remove the freeze frame. Okay, the clip is back to normal at 100%. Now our mission is to use the original clip and to create variable speeds within the same clip. We are going to create speed segments. I'll show you how. Now this clip, let's delete it because we don't need it. We can work on one single clip. I will remove it, and then using the selection tool, I will just trim over here. Using the trim tool, I'm gonna go to the end until it's thread. Here it is, so I can see exactly all the frames within this clip. So we agreed that from the beginning of the clip to a certain point here, we want this motion just here when he puts his foot down. So that's gonna be our first segment. And then over here, we're gonna create several segments where we're gonna have different kind of speeds. Let's do that. I press Ctrl R or Command R if you're on the Mac to bring the retime controls. And then let's start using this small arrow. If you click, now they are all open. To create segments, you need to add speed points. I will add the first one. So notice now I have two segments here. The one on the left, which has certain number of frames, the speed is 100%, and the one on the right, and the speed is 100%. Now let's explore a bit what is this speed point. Well, the speed point is pretty nice, by the way. It has two handles, the top one and the lower one. The lower one, if you click and drag, it doesn't change the speed. You see the speed 100% still constant. It just reposition the speed points. You can put it at any frame you like. For example, want to put it over here. The top one is about changing the speed. If you move it to the right, you will expand the segment on the left and leave the segment on the right intact. And notice it's also replaying because I am in the trim tool. Or you can make it speedier if you like. Here you are. You notice the segment on the left has become 203%. I will undo this because we want to keep this one intact. And let's agree that when it comes just over here, we want to create a new segment and we are going to reduce the speed on the segment created. So I will go to the arrow, click, and go add a speed point. Cool. So now we have three segments. There is one in the middle. Now to change the speed here, you can use the upper handle. Here you are. But better yet, you can just go to change speed and say, for example, 400%. If it becomes so small and you can't see, all you have to do is to zoom in and start seeing better. Let's play our clip. See, slow motion, normal speed, fast, and nice. It's really cool. Let's agree that just over here, he comes and we want to change the speed. Just over here. We want now to create a new segment, okay? Just a segment over here. I will zoom out a bit or zoom in. I'm gonna add a new speed point, of course, and I want to charge this segment. I want to create a new segment just from here, and the guy will fall now at normal speed. I'm gonna add a new speed point. It's so easy, guys. And let's go directly now and change the speed to 400%. Here you are. Let's play our clip, see exactly what we got. If we didn't put them on the right frames, then we can work on this. Oh, cool. In fact, it's pretty cool. Yet you can make it much better. Now, let's say, for example, you add a speed point. And you come over, okay, you don't want to segment here. You want to remove the speed point. Very easy. Come to the one on the right and say clear speed points. It removes the one that is on the left or something like this. It will remove your speed points. Remember, guys, I am in the ripple edit mode. That's why it rippled. If you were in the selection mode, it will have overwritten this clip. So this is a fantastic way to have variable speeds on a single clip. Thank you for listening, and in the next lecture, we'll develop more on this subject.